In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a saved reply on your GitHub account. This is a handy feature that can really streamline your communication, especially if you often find yourself typing out the same responses repeatedly. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow. First, you'll need to navigate to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents your profile. Click on that profile icon to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. By doing this, you'll be directed to a new page filled with various options to customize and fine-tune your account. Your focus for today lies in finding saved replies. So, scan through the options until you spot saved replies and give it a click. This will bring you to the section where you can manage your stored responses. Once on the saved replies page, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the segment titled Add a Saved Reply. This is where the magic happens. It's time to create your new template. Click on the Add a Saved Reply option, and you'll be given a blank canvas to write out your desired message. Whether it's a greeting, a thank you note, or any frequently used text, just type it out in the space provided. As you draft your message, keep in mind that this space should be treated like any other form of communication. Ensure clarity and professionalism in your wording. This saved reply is a representation of you and your work ethic. Once you've completed the draft and are satisfied with its content, your final step is to make it official. Simply click on the Add Saved Reply button. And just like that, you've successfully created a saved reply on GitHub. This tool will now be readily accessible whenever you need it, saving you time and effort with each use. Remember, whenever you compose or respond to an issue or a pull request, your saved reply will be just a click away. Utilizing saved replies not only enhances efficiency, but also maintains consistency in your communication. It's a small investment of time up front for a significant return down the line. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you navigate the GitHub interface and harness this useful feature. Saved replies can be a game changer for anyone looking to optimize their workflow. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy coding. Happy tus.